In this video, we have exclusive footage of a police officer pulling over a person who was said to have flashing lights and then giving him a ticket for laughing at the police officer.
These lights warning everybody you're sitting there. Now I'm going after him. All right. That was pretty stupid, wasn't it?
What's that?
Flashing your lights at everybody to let them know that law enforcement was sitting there running radar.
Is that what I did? Is that a crime?
Yeah.
It is? I didn't know that.
Yeah. You got your license, registration, proof
Yeah,
of insurance. Why would you do that? You're flashing your high beams at people to...
In the daytime?
Yeah.
I didn't know that was a crime.
Now, the police officer said that he pulled over the driver because of using headlights to warn other drivers that a police officer was there. Is that against the law? There have been state and federal courts that have dealt with the issue, and typically courts have come down on the side of it being constitutionally protected speech. That is not likely to be found as being illegal in court because it has been found to be constitutionally protected speech, and that's an argument that could be made.
It doesn't say daytime or nighttime, it just says that you can't do it, and you did it. What's that?
The insurance, I didn't look it up on my phone. I don't think I got the actual card yet, but let me see. The insurance, because I got insurance. I switched from Allstate to State Farm. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't know that was a crime. I didn't know that was.
Yeah, you can't high beam people at any time in the daytime or nighttime.
I didn't know that. I didn't know. I mean, yeah, nighttime I understand, but daytime I don't know.
I'm sure I could articulate some other kind of driving charge in there for doing that too. That's pretty crappy.
Yeah, I apologize. I'm just going to call them, see if they can send me, because I thought it
Just you can hang tight, listen to what he says.
Here, he got the right one pulled up now.
He has two pilots the same year. The first one he pulled up, they were almost identical VIN because they were the same fucking car. You know what I mean? Same year.
Yeah.
But that's the right one. I verified the VIN.
This ain't the right one.
Said it was just issued in April.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I was looking at this.
No worries.
It was covered up by the license, and that's all I seen. Alright, so there's your stuff back there. And I wrote you 2 citations today. First one being special restrictions on lamps, which you can read that code, and it says no flashing lights shall be on a vehicle. And at that point in time, you had flashing lights on your vehicle. It's unauthorized.
Well, under the Constitution, it's protected in the First Amendment. Well, I'm going to look into it.
That's in Tennessee.
Yeah, I'm going to look into it. I'm going to
Yeah.
see about West Virginia.
Yeah.
'Cause it's free speech, you know.
Yeah, it's not illegal to do that, to flash and warn, but it's illegal to high beam. And it is legal to have flashing lights on your vehicle, not being an emergency vehicle.
I'll see.
Huh?
I said, I'll see.
Okay. And I could.
Section 17C-15-26 talks about the restrictions on flashing lights. So different types of vehicles have the right to have lights depending on, for example, what kind of vehicle it is. If it's a police vehicle, they have blue lights, which is allowed under this section. If it's an ambulance, a firefighting vehicle, they are allowed to have red flashing lights, and other specified vehicles can have amber lights. So there are exceptions depending on the type of vehicle. Specifically, subsection C of this particular section of the statute says, any vehicle as a means of indicating right or left turns, or any vehicle as a means of indicating that the same is disabled or otherwise stopped for an emergency, may have blinking or flashing lights. So that is an exception depending on the intent of the driver, if their car is disabled or if they're trying to turn left or right. And even if the police officer alleges that the driver is flashing, this would have to be proven in court too in order to convict the driver of doing so.
I could take you to jail today for your unsigned registration card, but I just wrote you a citation for that. That's actually up to 6 months in jail. You think it's funny, sir?
I'll take the ticket, sir.
I know, but do you think this
I'll
is
take
funny?
this. I'm allowed to laugh. I can laugh all I want.
Okay. Go ahead and step out here for me.
I didn't do anything.
Sir, I'm asking you to step out of the...
Am I being detained?
Yes, sir, you are. Step out of the vehicle.
The police officer said he gave the driver a ticket because there was no signature on the vehicle registration. Is that a valid complaint by the police officer? You have to look at section 17A-3-12 of the West Virginia Code. Subsection C states that the certificate of title shall contain upon the reverse side a space for signature of the owner, and the owner shall write his name, his or her name, with pen and ink in the space upon receipt of the certificate. The certificate shall also contain upon the reverse side forms for assignment of title, interest, warranty, etc. So, based on the code, it does actually have to be signed.
Are you serious?
Place your hands behind your back for
Are
me.
you serious?
Yes, sir. Place your hands behind your back for
Oh,
me.
man, you're serious, brother.
I'm not your brother.
Believe me, you're not.
Yeah, I'll never be your brother. I'll never be your brother.
Exactly. You'll never be my brother. Just be careful.
I
with
don't
me,
want to
sir.
be your brother.
No, just be careful with me, sir.
Don't jerk away from me.
Just be careful.
Don't jerk away from me, sir.
Just be careful.
Don't
with
jerk
me.
away from me.
My wallet is in the car.
Okay, I don't want you to jerk away from me
I was
right
going
there.
away from the traffic.
No, I was putting you in front of my car,
Okay.
which is away from traffic.
You're arresting me for laughing.
No,
I didn't do anything.
I'm arresting you for unsigned registration.
Okay, all right, that's fine.
Okay? So stand right there. Do you have any weapons in the
I ain't
vehicle?
got no weapons. No. I don't do nothing. I'm working now.
Okay. Hang tight in front of my vehicle for me. Hang tight right here in front of my vehicle for me.
Alrighty.
I guess I'll see you in court. Alright, ticket still stands there. Special restrictions on lamps. Unsigned registration card. I gave you till the 23rd of this month to contact the magistrate. Phone number's on your copy there. Once you contact them, they can tell you how to take care of it.
Okay.
Alrighty, sir. Be safe.
If you like the video, make sure to like it, comment, and show support to the channel by subscribing.